Hi everyone, if you are finding this content helpful and want to dive deeper into the course, make sure to check out the entire course available on Udemy. By purchasing the course, you will get access to the course content, downloadable resources, and exclusive material to help you master developing this app using Flutter and Firebase. The link is in the description below. Now inside Uber Eats project, here we'll create a function and it's going to be static send push notification to delivery guy, and another it's going to be static send push notification to restaurant. So we will implement the delivery guy push notification like a little later, but first thing which we're gonna do is we will go with push notification to restaurant. So here we'll go with string token. Let's go for FCM token. FCM token. It's going to be of type async, and inside of it we will go with try catch. Now let's go to services folder, and inside of here we'll go with a file. We'll go with a folder and name it APIs. APIs and keys. Now let's create a new file. Here it's going to be apis.dart. Class APIs, and here we'll go with a function static push notification API, and it will return us a string. So we'll head over to Postman, copy this and paste here. Now let's go back to the push notification services, and here we have this send push notification to restaurant. Inside of it we will go with final API equals query.parse, and here it's going to be APIs dot, let's import the class here, APIs dot push notification API. We have got the API. Now we will go with body. Body equals, let's go to Postman, and here we will copy this body. First we have to go with JSON encode, and inside of it we will paste the body. So the two is going to be FCM token, and here comes body new order for another, which we want is string food name, new order for food name, and here just we'll go for order for ampersand food name. Now inside of data, let's go with the data thing afterward, like what we want to pass here. So our body is good. Next we want to go with the header. We'll go with var headers equals, and here it's going to be, let's go to Postman, go to headers, go for hidden headers. We will copy this content type, come back, we have to paste this content type, and here we have to go with application JSON. So let's go to Postman again. We will copy this parameter, come back, paste the application JSON,
And next we have to go with the authorization header. So we'll return back. Here we have to go with the authorization. Let's copy the header name. And here we have to go with the key. So we'll go with key equals to FCM token. And we will add a semicolon here. So our API body and header is ready. Now we have to go with the post request. So let's go to pubspec YAML and check that we have added HTTP package. Okay, we don't have the package to trigger the post request. So we'll open up terminal and here we'll go with flutter pub add HTTP. Okay, it should be HTTP. We have added PTs and it will add the package HTTP. So let's go back to our previous screen. And here we will go with the HTTP request. So we'll go with var response equals, let's remove this, import the HTTP package here. We will go with import HTTP as HTTP. And here we'll go with var response equals to await HTTP dot post. Here we have to go with API comma headers. It's going to be headers, and at last body is going to be body. And we'll go with dot then, like what will happen or what we want to execute after this request has been successfully made. So we will go with the log message here and we will say that successfully send the push notification. And what will happen if we run out of time? So we'll go with dot timeout. Here we have to go with const duration. Let's go for seconds 60. And then we will go with on timeout, like what we want to execute. We'll go with a log message here. Connection timed out. And we will throw an exception. Throw timeout exception. And here we'll go with the same message, that is connection timed out. And what will happen if we run into an error? So we will go with on error. And here, the first thing is that we want to show the error message. So we'll go with e.toString. And then it's going to be error. And the next thing which we want is to throw an exception. Throw exception error. And at last here we will go with a semicolon. And the next thing is that here also we'll go with a log message. Let's copy this to paste here, and instead let's go for error. And we are good. So basically what it's gonna do, this push notification will send, like this function will send push notification to the restaurant. It will say that you have an order of this, and that's all. So we're gonna do the same. We will copy this entire function and paste here. And this time the function name is push notification to nearby drivers. And here we will go with list of driver models. So what we're going to do is we will open up the driver project, and here we will go to models, and here we do have the driver model. Let's copy the entire driver model, go back to Uber Eats. We will copy this entire folder basically. Go to Uber Eats project, and here we'll head over to model and paste this folder. Now we have this driver model. So what we're going to do is we will go to push notification, and it's going to be list of driver model. Copy the name, and here we'll go with nearby drivers. Let's import the driver model. What we're going to do is we will go with a for loop for var delivery guy, delivery partner in nearby drivers, and inside of this thing we will execute the entire try catch. Okay, so let's cut this one and paste here. And FCM token, it's going to be delivery partner dot cloud messaging token new, and it's, and the body it's going to be new delivery request order. Like the title is going to be delivery request, and for now let's just comment out the data. Here we have to go with the FCM token. Okay, the FCM token, it's not going to be the FCM token here, so we have to pass the server key here. So we'll head back to our project and let's look for the server key. Here we'll go to project settings, cloud messaging, and this is our server key. We will copy this server key, come back to our project, that is Uber Eats, and here we have this folder APIs and keys, and here we will create a new file, keys.dart. We'll go with the string FCM server key equals paste the key here, and inside of push notification we will go to send push notification to restaurant, and here it's not going to be FCM token key, it's going to be FCM server key, that is this one, the key which we just copied. And we will do the same here. We will replace this FCM token with FCM server key. Now this function will only send push notification to the restaurant, but this function, what this send push notification to nearby delivery partners, not drivers, delivery partners. So what it's going to do is, like, whenever we will order a food, first thing it's going to do is fetch nearby delivery partner. Suppose we are in region here, so within a radius of 10 kilometer it will search for the delivery partners. So, and after that it will send push notification to every single delivery partner. The person or the delivery partner who accept the push notification first, he or she will get the order, or you can say the delivery request. That's simple, nothing much. So let's check it out. We have the push notification API, we have the token of the delivery partner, we have the body title, and this data we will add on later. We have the headers, we are executing everything, and it's good. Now what we're gonna do is that we have send push notification to restaurant. Now we will go with another push notification, like send push notification code, or you can say function, from restaurant side. So what this function will do is that whenever the food is prepared and it's given to the delivery partner, we want to send a push notification to the user that your food is ready and it's out for delivery. So we will go to the restaurant application, and inside of lib we do have controller services, push notification services, and here we will paste it. Send push notification to user. Now what we're going to do is that we'll go to Uber Eats, and from here we will copy this entire folder, that is APIs and keys, and head back to restaurant, and inside of services we will paste this folder. Now it's time that we import the file. We have to import Dart convert, we have to import the keys file, and the last we have to add the HTTP package. So let's go to pubspec and have a look. We have HTTP added or not. Okay, we have HTTP added here. So what we're gonna do is that we will head back to Uber Eats, and we will go to push notification services, and from the top we will copy this import HTTP, and here at top we will paste it. Now let's check what is the error. So here we have to import Dart async, and it's good now. So it says send push notification to user after food ready, after food out for delivery. And here we do have the FCM token. Here again, here we don't need the food name. Title we will go with, okay, we do need the food name. We will go with title out for delivery, and the body is going to be food name, or you can say Manchurian noodles is out for delivery. And everything is good. We will go with the data afterwards. Now this much will be good.
Hi everyone, if you are finding this content helpful and want to dive deeper into the course, make sure to check out the entire course available on Udemy. By purchasing the course, you will get access to the course content, downloadable resources, and exclusive material to help you master developing this app using Flutter and Firebase. The link is in the description below.